Hello everybody. The tool that I chose to discuss with you guys and share is called Flipgrid. So when you type Flipgrid in, this is the page that pops up for the login page. Now, if you don't even need to sign up if you have a join code, if somebody gave you a join code, but then you can go to this top right over here where it says educator sign up. Now it does say educator because, as you can see here in the middle of the page, it's mostly used for school purposes, but I can see it being used for personal learning network purposes as well. So I already have an account, so I would go to educator login, and it pops me up and it tells me welcome. I can create a discussion or I can share my join code. So I want to create a topic. Now here, since I have a limited word count right here, it tells me I only have 35 characters. I'm just gonna put thoughts on personal learning network, and then here I can elaborate more because I have 1,000 word count. So I would put, what do you know about personal learning networks? Please include any tools. Please include any tools that you know. And then I can say, feel free to comment on other people's posts. I would say that, and I can include any media that I want for my topic. I could include any of this. Now, for school purposes, obviously you would want this to be private. So you would just add the student's email of who is allowed to join, or you can do it by username. You put first name, last name, username of whom you would like to join, so not just any random person is joining. Or in my case, since it would be a personal learning network, because I don't plan on using students, I would make it out to the public. So now I would click create topic. My topic is now ready to be shared. I can copy this link and I can send it to my friends. It says, you can see here that it says, I can put it on Google Classroom, or it gives me other things that I can post it on. So let's say all set. And now here is my discussion that I just created. So I can sit here and I can click record a response, or I can share the topic. Now, to have other people be able to contribute to this personal learning network and this discussion, I would just I can take this join code and I can send it to my friends, post it on other personal learning networks to have other people with mutual interests come and take a look at it. And then usually there's just a whole bunch of different videos that pop up here with everybody, and you're able to comment on them. I definitely recommend this for schools. If you're going to be a teacher, this is highly useful. My little sister, she uses it. I've used it for school purposes, but I also think this can be used in your career when you want to have discussions about different things. And this is kind of more interactive because you're able to post a video, and it makes it a little bit more personal in where you can, I guess, get to know each other and put a face to the name instead of just sitting behind a keyboard on a screen for most other personal learning networks. So I do highly recommend it, and I hope you guys enjoyed my Smackdown. Thank you. Bye-bye.